The Scratch Game Jam number 5 has successfully ended. The theme was You Are Not Alone. Initially, I thought there would be many heartwarming games encouraging collaboration, but to my surprise, there were many horror vibe games. What interesting idea did they come up with? In this video, let's take a look at my favorite games in this jam. Also, the Scratch Game Jam number 6 has officially started registration. The link is in the description. Don't miss out. Shadow Shifter is a creative puzzle game with a simple mechanism. In the game, you can switch between the character's soul and body to control them. The soul can pass through the walls, and the body can pass through beams. Both the soul and body must reach the final point together to pass the level. The game has rich and interesting levels. If you like this type of game, don't miss it. Isolated is a well-made horror game. The sound design of the game is impressive, coupled with the classic camera design. The immersion is good. If you want to find a Scratch horror game, this game is worth a try. The creator also added an age notice at the beginning of the game, which is great. On first experience, No One Is Alone appeared to be a pixel-style survival game with rough production. However, the real content of the game will be presented after a little time. This is a meta game that breaks the fourth wall. I won't say more, or I will spoil it. I highly recommend that you try it yourself. Monophobia is a delicate pixel-style game brought to us by Razer. The character and level art design are good, and the content arrangement is also interesting. However, the document reading is somewhat difficult, and I hope it can be modified later. It's a very promising work. In addition to this, there are many good games. PK3K is a unique top-down shooter roguelike game. Quest of Legends brought us a flavorful turn-based RPG experience. Cupcake Capper is very addictive, imaginative, and challenging. Monkey Game is also a horror game with some meta elements and great artwork. CNW03 is a classic horror game, and the oxygen mechanism is very interesting. Something in the Dark has great artwork. And of course, there is a brand new game of Cute Patera series. All the links to these games are in the description. I look forward to see creators continue to update them and hope to see everyone's new works in the future. Don't forget to participate in the Scratch Game Jam number 6. Like and subscribe. See you next time.